Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove saved memory in ChatGPT. If you want to remove a saved memory in ChatGPT, so here's how. Open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Now from the options, select personalization. Or you can also go to settings. Then you can click personalization. Then in here, under personalization, you need to scroll down and under memory, so you can go to memory summary and click manage. Then you can find the memory you want to remove. Then just click delete icon or trash icon next to it. Then confirm the deletion if prompted. You can also click the three dots in the top right if available. Then click delete and turn off memory. So you can select clear all memories from the same page and confirm it if you want to erase everything at once. So keep in mind that deleting a saved memory doesn't automatically delete past chats where the information appeared. So if you also want to remove it from your conversation history, you'll need to delete the relevant chats separately. So if you want to disable memory, you can hover over to enable memory, then toggle it off just like so. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.